Hello viewers, in this video we will see the solution to assignment 0 for the course Cloud Computing. We will start with the first question. Which software does prevent external access to a system? The answer: a firewall is a network securing software that prevents unauthorized users and dangerous elements from accessing the network. Software firewall acts as a filter for our network which prevents harmful information. So the answer is option A, firewall. Option A, firewall. Second question: which classes are used for connectionless socket programming? So the answer is datagram is basically some information traveling between the sender and the receiver, but there is no guarantee of its content, arrival or arrival time. Datagram socket, datagram packet are used for connectionless socket programming, while server socket is used for connection oriented socket programming. So the answer is option C, both datagram socket and datagram packet. Option C, datagram socket and datagram packet. Third question: which of the following is most appropriate about threads? Threads of a process share. Threads of a process can share all resources except stack and register set. So the answer is option D, both heap and global variables. Both heap and global variables. Option D. Fourth question: what is the maximum number of hosts under class B addresses? Fourth, in class B, IP addresses first two octets are used to represent the network number, which leaves 2 octets or 16 bits to represent host portion, the address, host portion of the address. With the 16 bits, total 2 power 16 equal to 65,536 class B addresses. Lowest and highest values are reserved for special purposes. Hence, each class B address can support 65,536 minus 2 is equal to 65,534 hosts. So the answer is option B, 65,534. Option B, 65,534. Fifth question: consider a system with 2 level caches. Access times of level 1 cache, level 2 cache and main memory are 1 nanoseconds, 10 nanoseconds and 400 nanoseconds respectively. The hit rates of level 1 and level 2 caches are 0.8 and 0.9 respectively. What is the average access time of the system ignoring the search time within the cache? So fifth question, the given things are H1 hit rate of level 1 cache is 0.8, T1 is access time for level 1 cache 1 nanoseconds, H2 hit rate of level 2 cache is 0.9, T2 access time for level 2 cache is 10 nanoseconds, HM hit rate of main memory, that is equal to 1, TM is equal to access time for main memory equal to 400 nanoseconds. The formula to find average access time is H1 multiplied by T1 plus 1 minus H1 into H2 into T2 plus 1 minus H1 into 1 minus H2 into HM into TM. So if you substitute the values, we will get the answer 10.6 nanoseconds. So the answer is option C, 10.6. 10.6, option C. Sixth question: using a larger block size in a fixed block size file system leads to. Sixth question: using larger block size system leads to poor disk space utilization due to items that are very small comparable to block size cause fragmentation, but it leads to better disk throughput since number of blocks needs to fetch and replace becomes less. So the answer is option A, better disk throughput but poorer disk space utilization. Option A. Seventh question, transport layer is implemented in the firmware of a computer system. Transport layer is implemented in the kernel. So the answer is option B, false. Option B, false. Eighth question, a computer's processor sends 32-bit addresses to the cache controller. It has a 512K byte 8-way set associative write-back data cache with a block size of 32 bytes. In addition to the address tag, each cache tag directory entry contains 3 valid bits and 1 modified bit. Find the size of the cache tag directory. So the answer is, so the number of blocks is equal to cache size divided by block size, which is equal to 16,384, which is nothing but 2 power 14. The number of sets equal to 1634 divided by 8, which is equal to 2048, which is equal to 2 power 11. So therefore, set offset equal to 11, byte offset equal to 5. So the formula to find, the formula is tag plus set offset plus byte offset equal to 32. So we have to find tag, set offset is 11 and 5 is the byte offset, which is 2 power 5, which is 2 power 5. That is equal to 32. So therefore tag equal to 16. So tag address bits is found out to be 16. Valid bits is given as 3. Modified bit is given equal to 1. So add this 3, you will get total bits equal to 20. Size of the cache tag directory is equal to tag bits 20 multiplied by number of block size. Number of block size 348, which is found here. So that is equal to 327680, which is equal to 320K. So the answer is option B, 320. Option B, 320 kilobits. Ninth, flow control is mainly implemented in. Flow control, like the data link layer, the transport layer is responsible for flow control. So the option is answer C, transport layer. Transport layer. Last question, where does the swap space reside? So the answer for this is, so this diagram shows the use of swapping. So disk storage is shown here. So swap space is an area of the disk that temporarily holds a process memory image. So the answer is option B, disk. Option B, disk. Submit. So answer is correct, second is correct, third one is correct, fourth is correct, fifth is correct, sixth is correct, seventh is correct, eighth is correct, ninth is correct, 10th also correct. Thank you.